The 2025 Ram 1500 TRX is set to redefine what a high-performance off-road truck can achieve. Built with extreme power, rugged durability, and premium technology, this truck is a statement of dominance on and off the road. Dodge has fine-tuned every aspect of the TRX to ensure it remains one of the most capable and aggressive trucks available. The combination of performance, design, and cutting-edge features makes it a compelling option for truck enthusiasts and off-road adventurers alike. At the heart of the TRX lies a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine, which produces an exhilarating 702 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. This massive power output enables the truck to achieve sports car-like acceleration despite its size. The 0 to 60 mph sprint is completed in just 4.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest pickup trucks ever produced. The 8-speed automatic transmission is designed for smooth and precise shifts, ensuring optimal performance whether on highways or rugged terrain. The TRX is built with a reinforced high-strength steel frame that enhances durability and handling. The truck's suspension system is engineered for off-road excellence, featuring Bilstein Black Hawk E2 adaptive dampers. This suspension setup allows for incredible shock absorption, keeping the ride smooth even on the roughest trails. With 11.8 inches of ground clearance and a maximum approach angle of 30.2 degrees, the TRX is more than ready to tackle challenging landscapes. A key highlight of the TRX is its advanced four-wheel drive system, which provides superior traction and control. The electronic locking rear differential helps distribute power evenly to the wheels, improving stability on uneven surfaces. Additionally, multiple driving modes, including sport, snow, mud, sand, and rock, allow drivers to tailor the truck's performance to different terrains and weather conditions. The launch control system optimizes power delivery for rapid acceleration, ensuring peak performance in any scenario. In terms of exterior design, the 2025 Ram TRX exudes a bold and aggressive stance. The large functional hood scoop not only enhances the truck's intimidating look but also improves engine cooling by directing airflow to the supercharger. LED headlights and taillights add a modern touch, while the wide-body fender flares give the TRX a muscular appearance. The black color option enhances the truck's menacing presence, making it stand out on the road and trails. The truck rides on 18-inch black aluminum wheels wrapped in 35-inch all-terrain tires. These massive tires are designed for superior grip and stability, ensuring the TRX remains planted even in extreme off-road conditions. The reinforced skid plates protect vital components underneath, allowing drivers to navigate rocky terrain with confidence. For added convenience, the TRX is equipped with side rock rails that provide extra body protection and help with entry and exit. Inside the cabin, the TRX blends ruggedness with luxury. The interior is crafted with high-quality materials, featuring leather-trimmed seats with suede accents and TRX badging. The driver and passengers are treated to a spacious and comfortable experience, with ample legroom and premium stitching that adds a touch of sophistication. The flat-bottom steering wheel, wrapped in leather and carbon fiber, gives the truck a sporty feel. Technology plays a significant role in enhancing the driving experience. The TRX features the Uconnect 5 infotainment system with a massive 12-inch touchscreen display. This system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless smartphone integration. The interface is user-friendly, with split-screen functionality that allows access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Simultaneously, performance pages let drivers monitor real-time data such as horsepower output, G-forces, and acceleration times. A premium 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system is available for audiophiles who want a top-tier sound experience. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a digital rearview mirror add to the truck's convenience. The TRX also offers a head-up display that projects crucial information onto the windshield, allowing the driver to stay informed without taking their eyes off the road. Safety is a top priority, and the 2025 Ram TRX comes equipped with an array of advanced driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control maintains a safe following distance, while blind spot monitoring helps detect vehicles in adjacent lanes. Lane keeping assist ensures the truck stays centered, reducing the risk of unintended lane departures. The forward collision warning system with automatic emergency braking adds another layer of protection. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the TRX's Trail View camera system, which provides a real-time feed of the terrain ahead. This feature is especially useful for navigating tight spaces and rocky paths. Parking is also made easier with front and rear parking sensors and a 360-degree camera system that offers a bird's-eye view of the truck's surroundings. Fuel efficiency has always been a challenge for high-performance trucks, but the TRX offers a respectable range thanks to its 33-gallon fuel tank. While its fuel economy isn't on par with smaller trucks, its performance more than compensates for the higher fuel consumption. Ram has also introduced new technology to optimize fuel usage, including cylinder deactivation, which shuts down select cylinders when full power isn't needed. Towing capacity is another strong suit of the TRX. The truck is capable of towing up to 8,100 pounds, making it suitable for hauling trailers, boats, and heavy equipment. The integrated trailer brake controller and tow-haul mode assist with smooth towing, reducing strain on the engine and brakes. The truck bed features LED lighting and an available spray-in bed liner for added durability. The expected pricing for the 2025 Ram TRX starts at around $77,000, with higher trims and optional packages pushing the price beyond $90,000. Buyers can customize their trucks with additional off-road accessories, luxury upgrades, and performance enhancements. The TRX is designed for those who want the ultimate combination of power, capability, and premium features in a pickup truck. Enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting the official release, which is expected to take place in late 2024. Dealerships will begin taking orders before the launch, with deliveries expected to start shortly after. Given the high demand for the TRX, early reservations are recommended for those who want to secure their vehicle. The 2025 Ram TRX is more than just a truck, it's a statement of power and innovation. Whether you're looking for thrilling performance on the open road or a capable machine for off-road adventures, the TRX delivers in every aspect. It combines cutting-edge technology with brute strength, ensuring it remains one of the most sought-after trucks in its segment. Ram continues to push the boundaries of what a pickup truck can be, and the 2025 TRX is a testament to their commitment to excellence. With its aggressive styling, unmatched power, and advanced features, it sets a new benchmark in the performance truck category. For those who crave excitement, capability, and premium design, the 2025 Ram TRX is a top contender. It's built for those who refuse to compromise, offering a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. Whether on the highway, trails, or the track, the TRX is designed to dominate every environment.